Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Travelers app for home insurance claim tracking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the Travelers app. Tap on the app icon to launch it. Wait for the app to load completely. Once the app opens, look for the login button on the main screen. Tap on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your username. Type your username carefully in the provided field. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password associated with your account. Double-check both the username and password for accuracy. After confirming your details, look for the Sign In button. Tap on the Sign In button to access your account. If your login details are correct, you will be directed to the home screen. Once logged in, navigate to the Claims section. Select the option for tracking claims. You can now view all your claims and their statuses. If you experience any issues logging in, tap on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your login credentials if needed. That's it, you are now ready to track your home insurance claims using the Travelers app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.